Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Google Maps on desktop or mobile and preparing your coordinates. Type coordinates directly into the search box. Decimal or degrees/minutes/seconds both work. Use a comma between latitude and longitude and a minus sign for south or west. Once entered, press enter or tap search to let Maps parse the pair. The app converts the numbers into a pin. Make sure there are no extra symbols or letters, because that's the most common parsing problem. Once Maps drops the pin, inspect the info card to confirm the coordinates match your input. This validates parsing. You can zoom and switch to satellite view to verify landmarks or terrain. This helps you confirm exactly where the point lies. If the pin sits off target, correct any format errors, swap latitude/longitude order, add a minus sign, or convert DMS to decimal, then search again. This step ensures the coordinate precision, aligns with real-world features, and prevents mistakes. Finally, save or share the pinned location by tapping Save or Share. Copying coordinates from the info card ensures exact values for reports or navigation. You can create a label for repeated use or drop the pin into directions to get routes. If problems occur, reformat coordinates, try decimal with 6 decimals, remove extra symbols, or reverse order, because most failures stem from formatting errors. If Maps still misplaces the point, test the coordinates in a different device, or convert DMS to decimal and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.